As you might remember from the lesson about booleans, values in JavaScript can be either truthy or falsy. Here is a reminder of what falsy values are in JavaScript. That means that any value can have its respective Boolean representation. For example, let Boolean is Boolean from Jane is true, since non-empty strings are truthy. Boolean from empty string is false, since empty strings are falsy. Boolean from 123 is true, numbers not equal to 0 are truthy. Boolean from 0 is false. Boolean from null is false, since null is falsy. Boolean from undefined is also false. Boolean from not a number is also false. Boolean from a string true is true. Boolean from string false, and this is also true because it is a non-empty string. We can use the fact that values in JavaScript are truthy and falsy to convert booleans to numbers. For example, number is number from false, and we get 0, and number from true, we get 1. And as we already know, we can also convert a boolean to a string, like so. Let string is string from false, returns false, or true to string returns true. To sum up, converting values to booleans in JavaScript leverages the concept of truthy and falsy values. Understanding this allows you to effectively handle various data types and their Boolean representations.